Right now, tens of thousands of disabled Texans are on waiting lists for Medicaid-funded home and community-based services, and many of them are children. Higochi Loka visited a newly opened child care center designed for care for special needs children and spoke to one mom who refused to give up on her son.
Tender Care PPEC has been around since 1988, with branches in Florida and now here in the Houston area.
We're here as a village for the family. We're an extension of their family.
They just opened up their first location in Texas, in Richmond, to serve Fort Bend, Harris, and surrounding counties.
Sometimes the families might get these diagnoses where they say the child can't walk. They may not get as many physical therapy sessions at home versus what they can at the center. And so we do see these kids start to walk.
A PPEC is a prescribed pediatric extended care center that provides medically fragile quality child care services in the least restrictive environment. Dania De La Rosa is the nursing director administrator here.
I worked in ICU, and just seeing the kids from that aspect to now a happy environment. I mean, kids are so resilient, especially like our special needs kids that we see.
The center also creates a sense of normalcy for moms like Nina Okafo and her 3-year-old son, Makayo.
He started off in a typical daycare setting, but he ended up getting really sick. And so I reached out to her because ultimately they did not want to continue further care with him because they were afraid of the G tube, his feeding tube.
On top of having Down syndrome and autism, little Makayo had trouble taking in food regularly, which Nina says traditional daycare staff didn't want to deal with.
And from then on, no other daycare would accept him.
Until now. Nina tells me even though her son has only been attending Tender Care for a little while now, he acts like he already owns the place.
He just walks around very confident. He loves the staff, loves the nurses. Like, he treats them like they're his second moms.
Tender Care's transportation van that they use to pick up children with special needs from their house and bring them right here to the center. Now keep in mind, they'll even pick kids up about an hour away, and the cool thing is it's wheelchair accessible for families who need it.
Me and my husband were doing it alone for the longest, and it's hard. It's hard, and it doesn't have to be hard.
Majority of their patients are on Medicaid, which covers PPEC costs, bringing relief to parents like Nina.
I do, and it's been a struggle, especially, before I knew about PPECs and him being turned away because of his disability.
Give yourself so much credit because you never stop fighting for your son.